Wake up, prepare yourself, go to work, rest, consume, repeat, Monday to Friday, years after years until you are 65. You can feel your life passing in front of your eyes, but you feel extraneous to it. You have debts, and maybe a nice car or a nice house, but you struggle with the payments, going every time paycheck to paycheck without having savings. Your expenses seem to be getting higher every year, but your job is still underpaying you with the same salary. Quit it, change everything, get your dream life, you still have time. But you cannot quit it. The job that you wanted so much, the one that you got a degree for, right in front of you, disguised as the biggest opportunity of your life, the one that will build you a solid career. And you keep waiting, hoping for a promotion, for an increased salary, for a better future. But let's slow a little bit. Maybe you're still a student, studying for a degree, regardless of the cost, market demand, or time needed to get it, hoping to obtain a big job and make some money, meanwhile growing an inconvenient debt. At the same time, you feel something is off, something deep inside is bothering you. But the reality is, in whatever point of your life you are right now, it doesn't really matter. We all are going in the same direction. And if you pay close attention around you, you'll start noticing the same pattern. Everyone is trading their time for money, an endless rat race toward consumption and dissatisfaction. It almost looks like everyone is programmed to live the same, exact, scripted life. And then, there is the other side of the coin, the 1% of the 1%. People that have more power and wealth than nations. All these millionaires and billionaires, how did they do it, you ask yourself? And the truth is, they have a better equation than you. They found a way to live beyond conventional wisdom and others people's thinking. They found a way to escape the economical matrix. They just found a way to live an unscripted life.